If you think Emeryville is just IKEA, you might be surprised.
Let's explore Emeryville, a tiny city in the East Bay, sandwiched between Oakland and Berkeley. Best known for its IKEA and shopping center, Bay Street, Emeryville is having a revival since the pandemic. Trendy new restaurants and shops have been popping up, so I'll show you what's there now. But besides Bay Street, Emeryville has so much more to offer, especially for foodies. I'm Wanda Wing, a Bay Area local for 17 years, and I'm here to show you unique, cool, and cheap places in the Bay Area you can get to with just public transit. So if you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe button, and hop on BART with me to explore what Emeryville has to offer besides IKEA. Let's go! To get to Emeryville on public transit, first take the BART to MacArthur station.
And right next to the station, there's this free shuttle that takes you to Emeryville called the Merry-Go-Round. It comes very frequently. So make sure you take the one that goes to Shell Powell to get to Bay Street, which is where we're gonna go, the center of Emeryville, where all the action is. Hello.
Only a few people here. So nice.
Alright, just got out the shuttle. Now I am heading to Bay Street, which is the center of Emeryville, where there's all these shopping stores and restaurants and the AMC Theater, Barnes & Noble. Let's go check it out and see how this area has changed. What's new to explore here? Oh, look, there's Fogo de Chao. Brazilian steakhouse. This used to be P.F. Chang's, but now it's Fogo de Chao. I miss P.F. Chang's. Best American Chinese restaurant.
Oh, there's a Shake Shack up there. There's all these new restaurants up there. Pizza, Indian, ice cream, and then there's a Sephora. This is very exciting. This is a new Japanese supermarket that's going to be opening up here this year. Wonder what's going to happen here. There's Barnes & Noble, AMC Theater, Uniqlo. This here is the new art gallery.
So nature and my faith and my spirituality and humanity has been my subjects in my work, and they're all connected. In fact, now I call it, I'm seeking oneness, trying to connect humanity, soil and soul.
These are all the dining options on the terrace. AMC Theater. Oh, look at these recreational spaces here. Saucy restaurant. Looks pretty good. What's this place? VR place. Interesting. Nice spot for a happy hour drink. On the terrace, you get this really nice view of Bay Street. Get a drink from the bar. And nice little lounge chairs here. Nice little revival of this street. It was pretty much dying during the pandemic, and I like what they're doing with it. This is a really cool, loungy Indian restaurant, Pipe. And what do we have here? Pizza by the slice. Oh, more games here. The Shake Shack and street taco place, Flores Taqueria. Pretty cute. Let's go back down. All right, this is the west end, one end of Bay Street, and now we're gonna walk towards the other end. Let's go check it out. Today is Thursday afternoon. Not a lot of people here right now, which is nice. I wonder what it's like on a weekend. Oh, this is cool. Emeryville. Subscribe, like and subscribe. Go wandering. Okay, so here they have these plaques with the history of Emeryville.
It's time for a 1-minute history of Emeryville. So thousands of years ago, the native Ohlone people built the Emeryville Shell Mound, which is a massive 60-foot tall burial site made of shellfish and animal remains. After its discovery, the site became Shell Mound Park in 1876, a popular amusement park with shooting ranges, a track race, and dance pavilions. People even ferried from San Francisco for its famous picnics, but when Prohibition hit in 1920, the park shut down. With its convenient location near the bay and train tracks, Emeryville became an industrial hub. It was known as Butcher Town for its meat packing plants, which also regularly dump blood into the bay. Yes, the beautiful San Francisco Bay. And to avoid being absorbed by Oakland so they can maintain control, major businesses pushed to incorporate Emeryville as its own city in 1896. Today, Emeryville is home to 11,000 people, big box stores like IKEA, and major companies like Pixar.
And there you have it, the history of Emeryville. They have all these nice lounge chairs to just chill. Alright, let's go down the street and see what's here. So up here they have these apartments where people can live above these stores. Not sure how I feel about that. Might be very noisy. There's a Apple store across the street and a bunch of stores like Pandora, Claire's, Levi's, Purple, and Lovesac. I love that name. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Miniso. It's like a Japanese mini gadget store. Very cute. And there's a dessert place called Jars. They serve desserts in jars. Sounds good. Dubai Shake. Alright, there's Foot Locker and Urban Outfitters. This is a new one. It's a whiskey place. Wine tasting. And they have Phil's Coffee. It's a Bay Area institution. Really strong coffee. One of my favorites. It's pretty new here. Hair salon. Lush. Boutique clothing store for women. Spoil. Bands. There's a clock up there. Victoria's Secret. We do have some empty storefronts like that one over there. Saw a couple back there. We have Sunglasses Hut and Aldo. More apartments across the street. Bay Street Apartments. And here we have another clothing store, Zumiez. Shoe Palace. We have Laser Away. Another clothing store, sports clothing wear. This is Bay Street, Emeryville. And down here we have Bath and Body Works and a massage parlor, Xfinity, Shoe Palace, AT&T. Red Door Escape the Room. They have a red door too. How fun is that? And down here we have this new hot pot place called Moo. It's really good. If you like hot pot, highly recommend this place. It gets pretty crowded at nighttime. Right now it's empty. And across the street, we have this urban golf place called Tipsy Putt. Really fun miniature golf place with a nice drinking atmosphere. Yeah, how cute. They even have a little bridge in there. Alright, so there you have it. That's the end of Bay Street. It's only just 2 blocks, but there's a lot jam-packed in here in terms of like stores and restaurants, and there's a theater, so it's a really great place to come here for a date, maybe even solo date. Watch a movie, go to that art gallery, eat some hot pot, get a drink at the Tipsy Putt place, shop around. So that's only one piece of it. Next, I'm going to take you to this really amazing food hall called the Public Market, which is just 2 blocks away from Bay Street. And I think it's amazing if you love food because there's so many good options there. You ready? Let's go. And there's the food hall in that building. Let's go. Oh, would you look at that? They even have a biking dock right next to the food hall. So you can easily bike here after perhaps a really nice bike ride along the Bay Trail, along the bay. And over there is the train station, Amtrak. All right, let's see. Where do we get in? Sometimes they host like a big art exhibition here for special events. There's nothing in here right now. And there's a yoga place. There's a guitar center. All right, here we are. We're heading into the food hall. There's a Super Duper Burger place. They have a Super Burger all over the Bay Area. I like it. And what's this? Empanadas. Let's go in here. This is the public market. Here we are. Several places have closed down. Peace Coffee. There used to be a Hong Kong food place here, and it's not open anymore. And this place was what was here before. It's closed as well. Mexican, I think. But over there, there's a public bar. Alright, trying to figure out what to eat for lunch today. So many options. Let's go take a look at what the options are. Stay tuned for what I get. Alright, so over here we have a barbecue place. Pig in the blanket. And Peruvian street food. This is a new one. Japanese curry. Yoshuku. That could be interesting. Might want that. Oh, we'll have to do this one. It closed down. New one's coming. Taco. Vegan taco. Okay. Nourish the public. Nice cool table here. Another one shut down here. This place isn't thriving anymore. What happened? Bar. Public bar. Here we have Indian food. Goat curry. That could be good. It's nice. They have events going on here. Drag bingo, farmers market, trivia Tuesday. Down further we have ramen. And another empty one. Huh. And then we have Korean barbecue. Always love Korean barbecue. And fish and grill. Or Hero, Greek food. So many options. Another new empty one. Wow. What's over here? Koja Kitchen, which are like rice taco balls. Korean style. And a juice container truck. Juice house. And we have a cashew ice cream place. All these flavors they have. Oh, what's this? Pizza place back there. And sushi place. Huh. What to get? What to get?
Beer, which one you want?
Oh, let's see. It's a Peruvian beer. Really good. Cusqueña. Very light. Alright, so I ended up getting Peruvian food. Right now, it's 3 something, and they have a happy hour deal from 3 to 7 where they give you a taco, a slider, and a rib, and a beer for only $18. And I love Peruvian food, so let's dig in. Cute restaurant. I'm gonna start off with the rib. It's really sticky, actually. Alright, here's the rib. It's really good, right? Very juicy and tender. Oh wow, really good. Sauce is slightly sweet, just falls off the bone. So good. Wow. I got the adobo slider. Pretty cute, right? So juicy and tender. And last is the taco. I think I got the chicharron taco. Meat is very juicy. The sauce is pretty light. Yeah, great place. Come here for lunch. The public market. So many good options. All gone. So full. Oh my gosh. So happy now with my food option. And now just to end this Emeryville trip on a really high note, I'm going to take you on a little surprise. Let's go. Public market. Well, this is kind of sad looking. Emeryville. This is the sign for Emeryville. There you go. Emeryville. Yeah. Oh, look what I got. Lift bike. Let's go. McLaughlin East Shore State Park. Let's go. Check out this view. Oh my gosh. Look how foggy it is over the city, as always. And it's so sunny here on the East Bay. So look at that. Just look at it. Oh, that fog. Carl the fog. And here we are. Emeryville Marina Park. It's gorgeous. And right behind me is an amazing dim sum place called Hong Kong East Ocean Seafood Restaurant. Really great dim sum with amazing views of the bay. 蝦餃燒賣飲茶啦. See, isn't this a really stunning place for dim sum on a Sunday afternoon? Views of San Francisco, and there's a really nice trail too for a nice walk. And what's really great about this park is that, sure, you can bike here, but that shuttle that we took earlier also drops you off here if you don't have a car. So, yeah, pretty convenient to get here. Alright, cool. Let's continue on. And that's the lift bike I rented. Hello. Also on the marina is this really cool tiki bar restaurant called a Trader Vic's. It's an institution around here. When you're around here, you must stop in to grab a drink. Really cool atmosphere. Trader Vic's. Yeah. Alright, right now I'm at Shorefield Park if you want to continue on this tour. This is the beginning of my other video to Albany Bow, the weirdest park in the Bay Area, filled with these monstrous sculptures that you just have to check out while it's still there. So check out this video right here. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my little young YouTube channel. That would really help me out, get my videos out to more people, so that would help me to continue on this YouTube journey. So please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. My name is Wan Doing, and I'll see you again soon. Ciao, ciao.